impressive performance by the students.
Another sir. Another sir.
Now, in
Having been
School. It was very impressive performance by the students. Every school or institution is a teamwork, and to lead the team and the tasks, we require certain posts and positions. Leadership is not a position or a title. In order to commemorate such titles, the school celebrates in this teacher ceremony. It is time for the commemoration of posts and positions.
Now, we shall announce the names and the portfolios. The portfolio holder are requested to come and receive the badges of honor. Now, may I request our honorable chief guest of the program, Mr. Vijay Kesi sir, to do the honor to the head boy, head girl and their deputies. May I request sir on the stage. The call goes to Vivek Karki as a head boy and Priyanka Kumari Shah as a head girl.
slow.
The portfolio for Deputy Head Boy and Deputy Head Girl goes to Prajal Chaudhary as a Deputy Head Boy and Sweetie Shah as a Deputy Head Girl.
Congratulations, Nano. Congratulations. Best. Congratulations. Right? Congratulations. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. Now, may I request our Honorable Acting Principal, Mr. Kedar Subedi Sir, to do the honor to our students. The portfolio for prefect goes to Virat Nayak from 4 Emerald, Nistal.
उसको कौन लगा देंगे ये कौन है क्रिकेट हो गया प्लीज कम सॉरी काम
Now it is time to hand over and take over of the charges of the house captains and vice captains. Now to do honor to the students, may I gently request Inspector of Nepal APF Mr. Dinesh Mr. Jairam Mandal sir on the stage. Now, may I entreat our respected gurus to read the function ahead. The portfolio for House Captain goes to Anmol Yadav from Oxford House, Sudarshan Chaudhary from Cambridge House, Ashish Raj Singh from Harvard House, and Rohan Kumar Vishwakarma from Stanford House. The portfolio for House Vice Captain goes to Priya Shah from Oxford House, Simran Shah from Cambridge House, Arushi Yadav from Harvard House, and Meenakshi Shah from Stanford House.
हाउस क्याप्टेन हो
This you give to that another sir. Another sir.
ल बधाई छ धेरै धेरै कुन हो ल्याउनु त दिदीको लागि नै अब सर रेड लाग्यो होइन सर म्याम यो लाउने होइन ल बधाई छ नानी ल गर्नु यो चाहिँ चेन्ज भयो भने त्यो साथी हो को साथ चेन्ज भयो भने साथमा है जाऊ जाऊ नर्मल जाऊ हिँडेर जाऊ फेरि फेरि हिँडेर जाऊ
Thank you, sirs. Now, may I request our respected teacher, Priya ma'am, and respected teacher, Jivan sir, to do the honor for the same. The portfolio for club president goes to Neeraj Chaudhary from English club, Khagendra Chaudhary from Nepali club, Chintamani Mandal from Math club, and Anisha Shah from Social Service club. The portfolio for club vice president goes to Vineet Yadav from English club, Yuvraj Thapar from Nepali club, Megha Bariyas from Math club, and Pooja Chaudhary from Social Service club.
Say your club name, okay? English. Yo.
Mostly English club payo. Yo math Nepali. Nepali.
Thank you, teachers. Now, may I request our valued teacher, Jamuna ma'am and Niswari ma'am, to do the honor to our students.
The portfolio for discipline in charge goes to Sumit Yadav from Oxford House, Ayush Sabir from Cambridge House, Roshan Mandal from Harvard House, Peter Mandal from Stanford House. The portfolio for language in charge goes to Samridhi Sunar from grade 4 Emerald, Gaurav of
The teacher Susan Dahal sir to do the honor for the same. The portfolio for class captain goes to Smita Kumari Saab from grade 4 Emerald, Dharanjay Roy from grade 5 Emerald, Sachin Yadav from grade 5 Diamond,
from grade 5 Diamond, Chandrasekhar Yadav from grade 6 Emerald, Ruchan Shah from grade 6 Diamond, Shruti Bhagat from grade 7 Emerald, Aditya Shah from grade 8 Emerald, Samit Yadav from grade 8 Diamond. Language
क्याप्टेन को संदीप सुने के बोलाउँदैछ के डिस्टर्ब ल्याङ्ग्वेज इन्चार्ज होइन ल्याङ्ग्वेज क्याप्टेन हो क्याप्टेन
Thank you, madams. Again, may I Dikshant Chaudhary from grade 7th Emerald, Alok Chaudhary from grade 8 Emerald, and Rishabh Kumar Yadav from grade 8 Diamond.
Which one?
The portfolio for class best captain goes to Sajan Yadav from grade 4 Emerald, Anshu Yadav from grade 5 Emerald, Smriti Mahto from grade 5 Diamond, Sadiksha Shah from grade 6 Emerald, Priya Kumari Komet from grade 6 Diamond, Peksha Pangali from grade 7th Emerald, Kesika Yadav from grade 8 Emerald, and Srishti Singh from grade 8 Diamond.
Yeah. To whom? Why are the inches?
भाइस क्याप्टेन
Drummer का They're also vice captain. First
Thank you, sirs. Now it's time to honor our drummers of the school. I would again like to request our Narayan. I would like to call Arab Bhagat and Nirajan Bike from grade 8 to receive the badges of honor.
Thank you, respected sirs. Now it is time for place taking ceremony for the head boy and head girl. And to do this, may I request Priya ma'am at the podium. And may I also request music team to solemnize this event with musical beats.
शॉर्ट क्लिप के शॉर्ट नेम वीडियो नेम बोले
यो
मैडम बोले
फिलहाल लाइक
Now it's time for oath taking ceremony. For this, I'd like to request head boy and head girl to please come forward. Now, I'd like to request head boy and head girl to take an oath. I, name, having been selected as a position
head boy
of the school,
of the school,
I promise
I promise
that I will respect
that I will respect
and
abide
by the rules
by the rules
and regulations
and regulations
of the school
of the school
in the true spirit
in the true spirit
for the
glory
and honor
and honor
of my institute.
of my institute.
I
I also pledge
that I will respect
that I will respect
the teachers
the teachers
and the management
and the management
and try best
and try best
to show discipline
to those
to show discipline
to show discipline
throughout my
throughout my
academic career.
Thank you, Priya ma'am. Now, as per the hierarchical order, the head boy has to solemnize oath ceremony and his subordinates should take the oath at their own respective places. All the portfolio holders should place right hand on their heart and left hand held up high. Now, may I call the head boy for the oath giving?
I name having been selected as a position of the school. I promise that I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the school in the true spirit for the glory and honor of my institute. I also pledge that I will respect the teachers and the management and try best to show discipline throughout my academic career. Thank you.
Hike your head, boy and head girl.
Thank you, sir. Now we are towards the conclusion of the program. To conclude the program and for the words of perception, may I request our acting principal sir on the stage. And at the end of
Thank you, Mayor. The Reverend Chief Guest of the program, Mr. Vijay Kumar Kesi sir. Honorable Special Guest, Inspector of the Nepali Bhiat, Mr. Dinesh Bhamban sir. Sub-Inspector sir, teachers, all the APF staffs, and APF Thakur Devi Jagendra Bhagwati School. I am filled with pride witnessing our students step into leadership roles. Remember, leadership is not about authority but service and responsibility. Embrace these duties with integrity and empathy. Congratulations to our new leaders. May you inspire and lead with distinction. Lastly, I want to thank each and everyone present here for your glorifying presence and making this program